Hello, I'm Yufu. The wonderful stamps I ordered from LESIA ZGHARDA Stamps arrived the other day. Thank you for your hard work on the long journey. In this video, I will introduce the stamps I purchased and the cards I made. The theme for this shopping is stamps to make Mother's Day cards, with the image of memories with your mother. When I was little, we had a rabbit at home. It was so cute, and I was so moved when a baby rabbit was born. A stamp that is perfect for the gentle image of a mother. And although Mother's Day is not the season for daffodils, flowers are my mother's favorite, so I was very happy when I found this stamp. I was so happy that I bought daffodil stamps. I stamped and colored using a combination of stamps I had and the stamps I purchased. I stamped flowers and a parent and child rabbit on separate paper, colored them, and cut them out to make them three-dimensional. Thank you for watching until the end today. If you like it, please hit the good button and subscribe to the channel.